Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup and hair look. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, then just keep on watching. Now, before we get into the makeup, I first wanted to show and explain to you how I recreated her hair. The wig I use is a 360 lace front wig, which is by the sponsor of this video called Yoowigs. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Before I went in to color the hair, I'd already bleached the knots on this wig and wore it for a couple of days to see how I liked it. So basically what I did was I started out by bleaching the hair with 20 developer to see how light I could get it. I was initially going to make this wig like a pastel bubblegum pink, but you'll see later on why I decided to change it. After my first round of bleaching, I realized that I definitely had to go over it at least 2 more times with a 30 developer to try and lift the color as much as possible. I didn't film this process because it was really hard to get a good angle, and I didn't have the best lighting because I was doing it at nighttime too. After I did 3 rounds of bleaching, I went over it with a pink hair dye from L'Oreal, but since the hair wasn't light enough, this didn't do much to it, and then I decided to dye it red instead because I knew for a fact that this was going to show up. So I bought the Sayos hair dye in 5-92. I did record this part of the process, but for some reason I can't find the footage anymore, so all I have to show is a boomerang that I posted on my Instagram story. And now the wig looks like this, and I have to tell you guys that I'm extremely impressed by how it held up through this whole process. I've tried so many wigs and hair from different companies, and I've never owned any that held up this well after 3 rounds of bleaching and being dyed 2 times. So if you're looking for a wig that you can color and that will also hold up super well and last you a long time, I 100% recommend purchasing this one. And the best thing about it is, which I find very important as well, is that it's super affordable. So I will leave all the information to this wig down below. I will leave all the exact details to this specific wig that I'm wearing, and also Yoowigs website down below. So if you're interested in purchasing from them, all the information will be down there. am not going to go through every single step with you of the makeup because it's honestly not that hard and it's pretty self-explanatory, but I will leave all the products that I'm using down below so that if you want to know what something is, you'll be able to find it there. I will put a whole product list down there. So I'm just going to put some music over this and have you watch me put on the makeup, and if you want to follow it along, you can totally do that, and I hope you enjoy it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.